Hey, hey, last stop for the day. Sailor Falls. This is the nicest mineral water. If you're going to get mineral water, get it from here. Stop off and have lunch, we're having an afternoon lunch over there. Park your car over here. Go for a walk down the track. Here we go. Well, we'll just cross over. And there we go. This is a nice place to come. It's another waterfall. I'm gonna run as the sun slowly starts to go down. Wow, see, you can walk all the way down. It's beautiful down here too. All the way down. All right, I'll take you for a walk. Take you for a walk down, and there's the waterfall over here. Also beautiful. There we go. Easy going down. Puffy coming up. Lovely. Oh, you can already feel the fresh air. It's absolutely gorgeous. Get it in ya. Big tree there. Waterfall's just over there somewhere. It's like a bird paradise down here. Look at this tree. Huge. Hello, tree. More stairs. There's the waterfall just over there, behind that tree. Here we go. They also have lots of wild berries and stuff here growing too in the summer. Here's a little lookout. There we go. Have a look how pretty it is. Good to see some young people out bushwalking. Sun going down through there. Look how pretty that looks. And look, I've just come down those stairs. Here comes my niece Carly. Alright, well, I better get going back to my family. I've had a nice day today. It's lovely down there too. That's where those other people are. You go down there, cross over the bridge, go for a nice bushwalk over there. Mineral springs. They're calling me. Alright guys, hope you all have a great week. Hope you've enjoyed some of my bushwalks. Not sure when we'll get to do any more. This is what I want to do for my life, my living. taking people out to these beautiful places for lunch. With a barbecue or a Vegemite sandwich. You've got to try a Vegemite sandwich. I make them nice. People smother too much Vegemite on them. That's where they go wrong. They like to trick the tourists with that trick, I tell ya. Not even Aussie likes to have too much Vegemite on their sandwich. Got to make sure you got plenty of butter. Bit of Vegemite. Delicious. Coo-ee! That's the call we do in the bush. Alright, well, have a great afternoon. Bye.